Welcome to my YouTube channel, Analytics Solutions. Today we are going to learn in this video many-to-many relationship in Power BI. Before starting this video, please like and subscribe so that you can get a notification of new video. So let's start. Let me open the data. I will let you know example of many-to-many relationship, how it's filtered in the data model. What is the use cases of many-to-many relationship, how to handle the error. So this is my data, table 1. So car name having a duplicate record, this table and this table also. So first let me import this file into the Power BI. Go to the Excel workbook, modeling many-to-many relationship, loading, net. So this is table 1 and table 2, load. Yeah, it is taking a bit time. Okay, so go into the data tab first. So this is the data of first table and this is the data of second table. So first I will change and the rename the table name. This is car produce, and second one table 2. Let me rename this also, car sold. Okay, table name changed. Now I will go into the relationship tab. So you can see this, go in the data tab. This is the joining key, car name in the both table. Car name in the both table are the joining key. So I will bring this car name to the this car, from car produced to car sold, and you can see here cardinality, many to many, many to one to one to many, and many to many. So I will explain you each cardinality. So first let's start with the many to many relationship, and you can see here cross filter direction as well. So there is a different kind of cross filter. So I will explain each options. So first start with the single car sold filter to car produce. So let's start with this. What exactly use of this? So you can see here what is saying car sold filter to car produce. So okay, now you can see car sold filter to this. So one record from this and many record from this. Sorry, many to many record. The filter direction is from car sold to car produce. So let me bring a one graph, for example, and take car name here. And the objective is to see the unit sold price and unit produce from the car produce table. So on the basis of car sold table, I will take a car name and unit sold price, and from the car produce I will take unit produce. Now let me add the label. So you can see here the numbers are correct. Again, let me copy this duplicate of the same graph and do the same thing in the opposite way. So currently I'm taking a car name from car sold table. So I'm just removing this and taking car name from car produced table. So you can see the numbers are correct. Sorry, incorrect. Why? So reason is we are doing filter from this table to this car produce table to car produce. So filter direction is car sold filtering into the car produce tables. That is the reason number is incorrect in the second visual. So just change the second options. This now it will car produce filter to car sold. So number will be correct in this and number is incorrect in the first visual. Okay, now go into this. Change the third option. This. Now you can see the filter direction. Both are filtering in each other tables in the both table. So now you can see the visual. Both visual having a correct number. So I will explain you. So this use cases is not good for each scenario. So I will explain you the bridge table, how to exclude this logic in many-to-many relationship. So please like and subscribe my channel so that you can get a notification for the updated video. Thank you for the watching.